So here we have a Lastar therapy light lamp. This is a UV free 10,000 lux sun lamp. It can be easily wall mountable with 5 adjustable brightness levels, 4 timer functions for seasonal sunlight changes. This is great to combat winter depression. So this therapy lamp simulates 10,000 lux of natural sunlight. This daylight therapy light helps you combat the winter mood, boost your mood and energy. It can also reduce work shift fatigue and support a healthier sleep cycle. The brightness is fully adjustable. It's a seasonal sun lamp. It offers 5 levels of brightness. Smooth dimming function makes it easy to adjust brightness levels from 5% to 100% for maximum comfort and customization. You can touch the max button to reach maximum brightness. Built-in functions such as timer and memory. The Happy Therapy Lamp provides 4 optional timers. You can choose the Lastar Therapy Light for 15, 30, 45, or 60 minutes. When turned on the light therapy again, the memory function retains all the settings from the last time it was used. It has a smart plug to automatically turn on and off the therapy lamp. This is safe, reliable, UV-free light, evenly distributed 78 pieces of LED lights, no ultraviolet, no glare or hot spots. The satellite therapy lamp is very safe for your eyes and skin. So if you're looking for something to combat the winter dark days, maybe looking for a little boost of energy while at work on your computer desk, this may be the ticket and hopefully get your spirit up.